Hello. Welcome back to Curls by Sharlene. It's Sharlene here. It's December. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you want to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Please leave a comment as well. Today, I'm going to show you how to curl your hair with the wrong side of the Denman brush. So the handle, basically. Yeah, I said it. The handle, the wrong side of the brush. I've seen so many people do this Denman brush curl. This is the first time I've ever done it, and look at those results. I mean, I was shook. I was shocked. I was like, I never thought I would use the Denman brush again. But hey, it's back, and it's back with a vengeance. So worth using. I mean, I thought I was completely done with it. Look. You can see this is my first time. I know, first time ever doing it and trial and error. So let me explain. I, first of all, am detangling big time. I made sure that everything was detangled. And then I also ran the brush through my hair. So I'm showing you what my curls look like with the actual brush, the bristles, the side of the bristles. That's what the curls look like. Yeah, as you can see. And then I'm going to show you how we actually do it with the wrong side of the brush. Look at the difference. The only product I'm using is the Eco Styler Argan Oil one. It's my favorite at the moment. It's the only one that I know the curls will last me all week. I do my hair once. Look. I do my hair once with one product, once a week, and my curls last me all week. I don't have an itchy scalp. I don't have a problem of, oh, I need to retouch my hair. I need to add more water. I need to style it again. None of that. I'm done. One and done for the week. Wash day, styled everything. Bye. I'll do my hair next week. Go to bed, wake up, it's done. It makes such a difference. Okay, back to the video. So look at the curl so far. What I'm doing is detangling. Make sure you detangle. Just look at the difference, eh? I detangle with my normal brush. It's the Tangle Teaser, brilliant. And then I use the wrong side, so the handle of the Denman brush, and basically use it like a curler, like a roller, to get the curl effect. So brush out all the knots, start at the ends of the hair, twist it round the end of the brush, and just roll it to the root of the hair, and just unfold, just unravel it. And you get the curls. They are thicker curls, I did notice, but it's literally that easy. You just roll, and you can redo it. If it slips out of your hand, it's really easy. Just roll it back up, and voila. Just like so. Easy peasy. When you start this, the first time I ever did it, which is this time obviously, but like the first few curls, I thought, oh no, this is gonna take me forever. But you know what? The minute you get the hang of it, you go into autopilot and you just roll. It's just like curlers, like rollers or whatever. It's not hard at all. The minute you've got it, the minute you're like, this is how it's done, no wasting time. It's such a time saver. Really, really time saving. The amount of hair I would say that you need to do for each curl is the width of your finger. So your index finger, I'd say about that much. That really gave me the bunch of curls and the size of curls I wanted. Obviously, if you want tighter curls, do smaller sections. And if you want bigger curls, do larger sections. So really, it will come out according to the width of the hair you pull out. So the size of the hair. It really does make a difference. I noticed when I was doing the smaller sections, it wasn't the definition I was looking for. But it does come out in the end. And if you're not happy about how it looks, just go over it. Really, I think I wasn't happy with that one and I just redid it again. So I noticed when you clumped the hair together, I wasn't getting the best results. What really worked for me was taking a clump of hair and spreading it out, so a larger surface area. There you go. Can you see the difference? If you look at the curl beforehand and then now, there's a massive difference. It came out perfectly. It's what I was looking for. And so you can always go back. It's really, really good. I have sped up the video in the beginning, but this is actually now real time. I haven't sped up this section, so you can see how long this actually takes for one curl. Not long, seconds really, seconds. Can you see? So my whole width of the hair is now around the handle of the brush. So like a roller, you want to put the whole width of the hair spread out over the handle, and perfect. I'm sure you're wondering how long this took from start to finish for my whole head. I started at 13:52, so about 10 to 2, and I completed my whole head at 14:48, so about 10 to 3. Roughly took me an hour, but this is the first time I've ever tried this. So I'm a learner, beginner. It looks good though. You wouldn't even think I was a learner. But first time trying this process, yeah, took a whole hour. Can you imagine if I've been doing this on a regular? No, it would not take me an hour. It might be my normal styling time is about 20-30 minutes. It could possibly be the same, but the time it took me in this particular video for the first time I've ever tried it is roughly an hour. That's pretty good, right? How does it look so far? That's 3/4 of the way done. Look at the difference. The definition is on point. I'm loving it, and it's uniformed. It's a totally different styling method. I usually do the Reiki method, my go-to, but this is winning big points. Big points with me. There is a disadvantage. The only downside is the roots. If you can see, when I was doing it, I mean, you can even see now, look at the roots of my hair. They don't look as defined. Like, maybe I needed to do them slightly smaller, the width of the curls. But I thought my roots aren't tip-top. But on the flip side, I'm going to have lots of volume at the roots. I'll have big hair. I don't care. Of course, I love big hair. But, big hair, that way, I won't need to fluff at the roots so much. I won't need to get a pick and pick it out at the roots. Maybe more to the end. So that's the only tip I would say. If you have any tips on how to get the roots as pristine and precise and defined as the whole curl, please put it in the comment section. I'd love to know. With rollers, you want to make them tighter, and that way your roots are all the same as the rest of your hair, down to the tips. I find the ends of my hair are always, how I want them to look. They're defined, the definition's great, But the roots, guys. And if you're interested in my hair growth from my postpartum hair loss, it's the last video I did. Please have a look. What a difference. What a change in 4 months. 4 months, guys. Hair growth. There you go. So that's brushing with the Denman brush, and then that in comparison to the handle. It's pretty good, eh? I forgot how good the Denman brush was. It's just usually so time consuming, but hey, there's a comeback. If you're interested, I also did a comparison between my detangler brush and Denman brush in a styling method. I did this in another video. I'll leave a link below and you can have a look at that video. And then you can have a look at this. A little picture showing you. There you go. But wow, what a difference. I mean, look at the definition. Yeah, it's excellent. I did also notice when you curl the ends of your hair around the brush, so you know when you start the process, the very beginning, the ends, if you twist too much of the end around the brush before you know, with your finger rather than twisting with the actual brush, you'll see what I mean. You get a different curl pattern, yeah, that bit to this bit, you know. Twisting with your hand, there's a different curl pattern to twisting it with the brush on your hand. That to that, there's a big difference. So if you put too much at the ends, you're not going to get the same or the curl definition that you would want compared to doing it with the brush. This really is a great technique. Well, there you go. That's the end. This is before I separate my curls, but my hair was dry. Like, look at that. It still looks like it's wet, right? Because the definition is amazing. And voila. I started separating the curls. I'm also going to do another video, so stay tuned for the next one on how long it took me to loosen the curls, and what do you think? This is actually day 3. Day 3, guys. I only separated the curls on day 3, and look at the definition. Yeah, so this technique is amazing. This is day 3, and it's like I did them yesterday, right? Like day 1. And then this is day 4. Day 4. Yeah. These curls lasted me 7 days. Even longer. I extended my wash day. Possibly 9 days. And it could have kept going. This kind of technique, I would say, can last you 2 weeks and you won't need to do anything. At the moment, I've done it again on my hair and I'm on day 8 and my curls are still popping. I might even keep it for 2 weeks. And my scalp isn't itching, so obviously this is a good product to use. Tell me what you think, guys. I rate this 10 out of 10. I would do this again. I mean, I have done this again, second time, and they came out, if not better. Comment down below. It's definitely worth doing. I would do this again and again and again. So yeah, thanks for watching my video once again. Curls by Sharlene. Stay tuned for my next video. You'll see how I unraveled and how I got this look. Please like this video, comment. I want to know what you think. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, like, what are you waiting for, guys? What are you waiting for? Do it now. Now. Come on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.